So you've been meditating a little while, and you probably noticed that there's generally a steady flow of thoughts in the mind. Pleasant ones, not so pleasant ones, and everything in between. But once in a while, a thought might come along that's really troubling. And when one of these thoughts comes along, it's worth considering, sort of outside of your meditation practice, what is a thought? Where does it exist? What happens when we try to find it? So we might ask ourselves, okay, is it in my head? Well, it's a nice idea, but physically, where in the head does the thought exist? So next we might ask, okay, so is it in another part of my body? Well, we can look, but we're probably not going to find that thought in our big toe. So where is it? If we continue this line of thinking, then we may well reach the conclusion that however loud or overwhelming it feels, the thought itself is intangible. And it's strange to think that this thing that we can't touch, that we can't even locate, can cause us so much heartache. But it's not enough to know this conceptually. We have to experience it many, many, many times for it to become a reality, to know it as an experience. So though it might be frustrating, over time that experience of looking and not finding has something really valuable to teach us about the very nature of mind itself.